Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see four LINQ methods, which is first or default, single or default. And we should know these things very well, that what's the difference between of them, and along with that we should know a very important thing, that the right place to use this function as well, or otherwise it will cause you issue in your application. So without any delay, so let's get started the main content. So what I will do, I just created list of numbers, or along with that first we will go with the first method. Okay, so I just want to try to get the first element uh, with this condition. So what I'm written here, that x should be greater than 6. So we know that the greater than 6 value will be 7 or 8, but in the first condition uh, it give me 7 because we are expecting the first result as well. Okay, or seems like we will definitely get the 7. Okay, or in this way we will get the answer as of 7. Now what if I uh, write here greater than 8? So it will throw me an exception because it always accepts the first element. Okay, so in this way it will give me invalid operation exception, which means the sequence contains no matching elements. It always requires to get at least one element. Okay, like like if you have no any elements, okay, so it will cause you an issue. So for resolving this thing, the link comes with the first or default. Okay, or suppose in this condition we will not get any value. Okay, so it will give me the default value of the type. So there we got 0 of because 0 is default value of the integer. Or if I tell you that uh, if it is greater than 4, so simply it will return me 5, because it will always expects me that x should be greater than 4 and the first value will be 5. So in this way we use first or default and first method. Now it's come to the next function, which should be single. Okay, and if the single if you are using single and greater than 4, so it will throw me an exception, and it is telling me invalid operation exception, sequence contains more than one matching. It means that if we are searching greater than 4, it means that we like it should return only one element, but in this scenario we are getting the four results, 5, 6, 7. In this way we are getting the this. But if I write this thing, that the greater than 7, if I run this code again, then we will get the 8, because we are getting only a single result. Okay, so here is the difference between first or single. Now if I write the thing that single or default, and in this condition if I run this code, then you will see that we will get the 8, because it is always doing the single element or default element, but right now we are in single element. But in such scenario, like greater than 3. Okay, so in this condition we will try to run this code again. Then we will see that everything like we will get the 0 or exception. I think it or it will give me an exception, because it is still give me more than one matching. So if you are expecting that it will give me 0 as a result, but it's not like when it will work. If I write greater than in this condition, suppose we won't get any result, so in this way it will give me 0 and the default value of the integer, and if you are using the classes, then it will give you null. So in this way we use the first default, single, and single default. LINQ, and it is very important concept to know that which function should I place in the code. Okay, so if you love this content, if you love this video, so hit the like button and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Or guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel, and currently we are working on our website. There you will get an daily updates on our website, okay, regarding our videos, our daily blogs. There you will found everything and uh, related to the .NET, SQL, JavaScript, AIML. Or along with that, I just want to tell you that the source code of this of all videos you will be found in our website. Okay, so please have patience. We will uh, launch our website soon. Okay, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.